DJI is really on the roll right now. When we thought everything would settle down a little bit, the first photos of the Mavic 3 shell has started to surface the web. I'm really sorry I keep bombarding you with videos in a rapid pace right now, but this is simply too exciting not to make a short video to show you these photos that sort of show some details about the upcoming Mavic 3, which is highly unexpected to be able to see already now. By the way, if you're not annoyed with all the videos that I'm releasing and not subscribed to the channel, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. So let's take a closer look at the pictures. On the first picture, we see two holes that is probably going to be used for sensors, as well as a top slit that could either be used as ventilation or maybe for a LED strip like we saw on the DJI Mini 2. The photo also shows that we will have a new type of battery for this drone that will be loaded through the rear end of the drone, similar to what we see from the Mavic 2. So this will be the first time on the higher end drones that we will see this type of battery compartment. The next image shows the Mavic 3 from the side, which indicates that it will have a folding design that is very similar to what we know from the previous models, where the front legs will fold straight back, where the rear legs will fold up under the drone. The last image, I'm not really sure what that one is showing. Maybe you can tell me, what do you think this is? And before you go all bananas and think, wait, he ripped off those photos from Drone XL. No, I did not. Those photos were actually sent to me by Jasper Ellens, a good friend of the channel. And if you pay attention to the article that is posted on Drone XL, you would actually see that it's Jasper that has written this article. And he has granted me access to use those photos in this video for you guys. Jasper was the first one to break these photos on Twitter. And I would highly recommend you to follow him on Twitter, as he is a very reliable source of information and definitely worth keeping an eye out for. I have linked his Twitter profile in the description below. This was just a short, fast update for you guys to keep you posted on what's going on. I'm really sorry about all the videos that I'm pumping out, but what do you think? When do you think we will see the Mavic 3 on the shelf? Let me know in the comment below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.